Hey guys, it's Nancy Ann. I'm back, at least just for this video, and I have got my viewers' all-time favorite box. This is a Stitch Fix fall transition. Let's get into this. Well, welcome to my channel. I am so very glad you're here. My name is Nancy Ann, if this is your first time, and this is my dog Ruger back here. He's really happy to be with mommy. I have not filmed for a couple of months, I think. As many of you know, my daughter had a stroke back on June 13th, and I have been living in Lexington, Kentucky with her, just south of us. We're in Indiana for the past couple of months. I am home for a couple of weeks. Sam has switched me places. So anyway, that's not why you're here. You're here to see me unbox a Stitch Fix. This is the first Stitch Fix I've had in a couple of months, and I actually got a couple even before then that I did not record because of the health issues going on besides my daughter that you may have known. It's just been a year. But I did get this cute little top from the last Stitch Fix I was able to get, and I thought I'd share this with you. I'm hoping I can record another video right after this, an update video with some questions from you guys and just to bring you guys up to date. But for right now, I just want to do the Stitch Fix, and I'm hoping I can record that video on the same day because I want to use these pants to answer a question. Okay, we're really going to get into Stitch Fix now. This is a styling service. If you've never used Stitch Fix before, I think everybody has. You pay a $20 styling fee, and they send you 5 pieces of clothing for you to try. They send you a preview that you can choose up to 5 items in. You have 3 days to decide what you would like to keep, and then you send it back in a prepaid mailer. You can extend that return date though. I hope I got that open good enough. What else? Oh, you use my link down below. You will save $25 off of your very first fix, and I will also get a credit. Thank you so much if you do that. It really helps me out a lot. All right, here we go. Now, I did get a preview. I did pick one item out of the preview. I only liked one. It's a pair of heels. They sent me, a stylist stepped in and then sent me the rest of the things. But I got a peek because I went in to extend the date. Honestly, I don't think I'm gonna be real thrilled with this fix, but you never know. You can get surprised. So here is the little bundle with the 4 items. A very dark looking fix. You can go online and favorite things on their shop, the Freestyle shop, and if those things are in stock and the stylist so chooses, she can send them to you. And I did ask that they please send me things from Freestyle that I had liked, because those are things that I think I would actually potentially purchase, but I think only one thing made it in besides these shoes. Now these are a pair of shoes. I love the color burgundy. It's my very favorite, as many of you know. So this is just a little pair of Dolce Vita. Aren't they cute? I'm a size 11, so if the shoe looks big, it's because it is. So there we go. Is it Dolce or Dolce? Anyway, we'll try these. I think there's going to be a dress in here that we can try with it. And let's see, get into our little bundle. So on top, I have a little striped tank. So along with this top, in the last fix that I did not record was also a very similarly striped top. It had a bow, very cute. So this is so similar. I honestly, it's navy and white, and this is either navy and white or black and white. I can't tell. I think this is black and white, but really similar. Don't know if I'll keep it, but I will try it. It's got a kind of high neck. Not a big fan, but we'll see how it works. Again, I have been surprised before. What are you? Another top. This is a solid black. Looks like maybe we have kind of a cowl neck sleeveless here. Now this is supposed to be summer transition. There will be a stylist note in there. I will read that later. Oh, and I forgot to mention, if you keep all the items in the fix, you send nothing back, you actually save 25% off your entire box, which can be a nice savings. Oh boy. Oh, okay. I thought we had spaghetti straps here. We do not. That was just the belt. So this is a navy blue dress. I believe that this was a requested item. I thought it was like a jersey, like a t-shirt type of fabric, but it's a slinky material. I don't know if you can see that. Kind of a slip dress type material. And it does have in the back, there is kind of a little button closure above a zipper closure down here with a hole. I think that's going to give like a keyhole appearance back there. And then lastly, cut from the cloth. I remember this is one reason I really didn't like this fix. It's skinny jeans. I don't like skinny jeans. I mean, they're going out of style, and I would wear them going out of style if I liked them, but I was never happier to see a style go out of style in my life because I just don't, they're not flattering on me. I have never liked skinny jeans. I know for sure these will be going back. So this is not going to be a 5 for 5 for me. Plus cut from the cloth is usually too big in the waist, or if it fits in the waist, it's way too tight in the hips. So we will see how this goes. Let's get into the first outfit. I normally try and style with shoes for you guys to give you an idea of how I would wear them. I wouldn't wear these, and I'm taking the easy way out today, and I'm not going to be buckling the shoes one more time than I need to just with the outfit. I'm sure you understand. So let's start with the jeans. These are Liverpool, I believe, and we will cover prices and what I may keep and everything at the end. They are a teeny bit too big in the waist, and what happens when jeans do that, especially when they're tight all the way down like skinny jeans are, is they're kind of gripping here and they're looking for room anywhere they can get it, and so they pull down, and the place that the jeans can give is in the waist, so then it goes down, and then I have a baggy crotch, and that's not a good look on anybody. And also, when I'm narrow at the bottom with these hips, it just makes me look like a big ice cream cone. But here they are from the back. If you like skinny jeans, I would really recommend these. And Liverpool, pretty sure these are Liverpool. I'll have to take a look at the end again. They are a really good quality. Now let's talk about this cute little top. So it is a cute little top, and actually this high neck, pardon the microphone right there, but the high neck is really comfortable. It's not bothering me whatsoever. It kind of has almost a cutaway sleeve here, which is showing my black bra strap just a little bit. Maybe I would wear it like that. I'd be much more likely to slip on a strapless bra, because if I can't avoid bra straps sticking out, I will. And here we are from the back. So I think this is kind of a cute little top. Not sure if I'll keep it. Let's go ahead and try it on. She recommended that I try the dress on with this white jacket that I got in a past fix. And I love this jacket. I wear it all the time. Whoops, sleeve came down. So I think this really helps spruce up the top even more. That gives it a little bit of style. Let's go on to the next item, or 2 items or something. Surprisingly, I really like this dress. Now, like I said, I thought this was more a t-shirt type fabric when I saw it on Freestyle, but it's kind of skimming over me just right. And I don't even have Spanx on. So this is sort of remarkable, unless I see something in the footage that I just don't like about it. It does have a little tie here at the waist, and it would be quite a long tie if I hadn't crossed it in the back and tied it in front. So I wasn't sure if it's a back tie, a front tie. I just decided to take up some of the length and tie it this way. But isn't it cute? Here, let me turn around and give you a quick spin. Again, this is usually the angle that I look at when I'm editing the video and go, nope, not keeping that. So we'll see what I think about it, and I wish you would let me know what you think about it down in the comments below. Your comments always really matter to me. I love that it's sleeveless, it's covering the bra strap, and the length is really good too. Now, this wouldn't really serve the purpose I was hoping it would serve when I thought it was more casual fabric, of just being a more casual dress that I just kind of yank on with a pair of sandals and then go on about my day, take the dog for a walk, all that. I would never do that in a satin dress. I know they're doing that kind of thing these days. That's not me, but it is a really cute and flattering dress, so I'll consider it. The shoes by Dolce Vita, I figured out how to say it since then. Can you tell it's been a while since I've recorded? They're actually pretty comfortable. I'm pretty happy with them. I think I'm gonna walk around the house for a while and see how these feel, depending on the price. If they're real expensive, I'm gonna back off, because again, we've been helping our daughter down in Lexington, and we're just being careful with money right now, let's put it that way. But I like them, and I love burgundy shoes. It's my favorite color, and this would match with a whole lot in my wardrobe. Another thing I liked about them, I was able to pull them right on. They have elastic back here at the back of the strap instead of a buckle. Love that. I will, by the way, link everything I can down below. Those will probably be affiliate links, so if there's one particular piece you like and it is on Freestyle, you can jump in there and get it for yourself. Okay, I'm going to come back with one top, and maybe we'll wrap it up right after that. So now let's just talk about the last item. One very simple cowl sleeveless top. Really versatile piece. It's very cute. I love the drape. Normally I'm not that crazy about cowl tops. This one I do like. Tucks in nicely, and it wears out nicely as well. The only thing I'm not liking about this is that it's a little bit big, I think, around the arms, and my bra is black, so you can't see it. But if I had a different color bra, I think it would be peeking. As a matter of fact, I know it would be peeking out. So I think if I were to keep this, I probably would look into sizing down. Okay, now we are gonna wrap it up. I'll pull it in a little bit closer. We'll talk prices and what I might keep. My stylist was Carmen this time. She's new. I can't seem to hang on to a stylist to save my life. Some people have had them for years. Me, I rotate. Maybe I'll have 5 fixes in a row and then I'm on to someone else. Oh well, it just is what it is at this point. Okay, so let's talk some prices here on these pieces and see what we've got. First of all, we have Calvin Klein suit separate sleeveless cowl, which must be this type, in black. Size large. This is $59 for one of these styling boxes. That's not really bad. I don't think I really need a sleeveless cowl, but it's not a bad top, and I would need to exchange for a medium. Then we've got DV by Dolce Vita, whatever that is. The emery heel in burgundy, size 11. These are $60. These are awesome. I'm going to consider keeping them. We're being real careful with money right now, but I like these, and finding a pair of comfortable heels for me that fit is really difficult. So I'm going to wear those around, and if they work for me and they're still comfortable, I would rather keep those than anything else in the box. Next up, we have Pink Clover Devi knit tank in black, size large, $35. Really good price, really cute. I've had a couple of Pink Clover pieces, and this is what I know. I'm pretty sure this is a Stitch Fix brand. They don't hold up real well, particularly in the wash. I don't know, they get little holes in them somehow. At least one of them did. I loved the top, but it wore out very quickly, and I'm leery of this brand. So that's gonna go back for sure. It is very well made. Again, the stripes match on the side, especially for that price point. That's a really great feature, because often when things are less expensive, that is not the case. Next up is the 41 Hawthorne Clio dress in navy, size large, $78. That is a super good price on this dress. I don't really need it. I love it. If I had $78 to spare right now, I probably would get this. So this will probably go back, but super great dress. And it's also not as casual as I would have liked. And then lastly, we have cut from the cloth, not Liverpool, Bodie skinny high-rise jean in indigo, size 12, $88. These just didn't fit me right, and they were skinny, and I don't like skinny jeans, so those are most definitely going back. The combined total for everything on this box is $320, but the buy-all discount of 25% takes $80 off, which would bring it all down to $240. Now your styling fee of $20 would credit back, so your total at checkout would be $220, but you would have already paid the $20 upfront for the styling fee. So there we go. That is my Stitch Fix for, well, we're just going to say for the quarter, as it's the first one I've been able to record in quite a while. I would love some input from you. On behalf of Ruger and I want to thank you for watching this video. If you could like, comment, subscribe if you haven't, all the things, we would be so very grateful. And we will see you in the next video. That should be an update one, so be sure to be looking for that. Alrighty, talk to you later. Bye-bye, and be blessed. Hey guys, It's Nancy Ann, a long time, no, I looked that way. Big mistake. Okay, keep your eyes on the camera. Ruger, you're gonna be on, he doesn't care. He doesn't care at all. All right, let's try this again. Nope, that's too much detail. Just gonna introduce the Stitch Fix and get out of here. All right, here we go. We'll talk about all that at the end, including the, I'm gonna do this again. Nope, I'm gonna do that again. Yeah, this is, I'm gonna start that whole thing again. Let's talk, no. Let's talk some prices. My Carmen, let's try one more time. I am not one of these fortunate people who have had, that's not working either.